In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the Zoom app virtual background option not showing and how to enable and use it properly. First, open the Zoom Workplace desktop app on your computer and sign in to your account. It's important to use the desktop app here because the virtual background settings are easiest to manage from there. Once you're signed in, go to the top right corner and click your profile picture. From the menu that appears, choose Settings. This will open the main settings panel where Zoom keeps all of its video and meeting options. Next, click on Video and Effects. Inside that section, select Virtual Backgrounds. This is where you can check whether the feature is available and start applying a background. If the option is showing correctly, you should see Zoom's built-in background choices right away. Now choose one of Zoom's available virtual backgrounds to test it. If you want something more personal, click the plus icon to upload your own image or video. In some cases, Zoom may ask you to download an additional package so virtual backgrounds can work without a green screen. If that prompt appears, click download and let it finish installing before moving on. After that, look for the option that says I have a green screen. Make sure this is turned off unless you actually are using a physical green screen behind you. When this setting is off, Zoom will try to automatically detect your body and separate you from your real background. For most people, this is the setting that works best. Then take a moment to check your camera setup. Good lighting makes a huge difference when using virtual backgrounds. Try to keep your face clearly lit, and if possible, make sure the background area behind you is also evenly lit. It also helps to avoid sitting in front of a very busy or cluttered background since that can make the effect look less accurate. You should also avoid wearing clothing that blends into the virtual background because that can confuse the camera detection. Next, test the background by moving slightly in front of the camera. Watch the edges around your hair, shoulders, and body. If things look blurry or parts of you disappear, improve your lighting or switch to a simpler real-life background behind you. Finally, if you're already inside a meeting, you can still change your background there. Just click the arrow next to Video, then go to Video and Effects or Virtual Backgrounds and choose the background you want. The change should apply immediately, and that's how to get Zoom virtual backgrounds working and make sure they look as clean as possible.